Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome to the Custom Adventurist. Alright, so today is the 2020 room tour. I know it's almost the end of 2020. That's why I want to get this room tour out. And yeah, let's get it going. Alright, walk down the hall. Here we go. Alright, and we open. And here's what we're greeted with. Our good little stand thing right here. We've got an iPad 2 right here. Little shelf. Another shelf with an SD card in there. Some foam panels. Very nice. Handle the room, and this is what we got. All right, take a look around. Here's what we got going. Got gear closet or gear corner right there. Little shelves. This is the turtle cage. My boy Chomp, who's chilling in hibernation actually right now because it's winter. Got the thermometer. Got some backgrounds, garbage. And here is the setup. Alright, we got some white paneling. Got Captain Rex up there. Shout out to my Star Wars fans. And this is what the setup looks like from afar. Alright, we got that light, that one, that light, that light. We got 4 main lights, a white background so it kind of reflects on the back. We got this fancy ring light that I always have changing colors. Got the TIE Fighter Lego set right here. Here we got a little notebook and 2 phones, my 2 favorite Android phones at the moment. Camera. Little box full of all my earbuds to organize them. This is my little editing setup at the moment. We got a Samsung monitor and a Razer keyboard with this Logitech mouse. Just picked them up. And then below, yes, I know it's a mess of cables. I'm thinking about getting a Mac Mini to clean it all up because it's all connected to this dongle that's connected to my computer, my laptop, a 13-inch MacBook Pro. Under here I got my slider, some tripods under there, and then over here got some candles, battery for my camera, some creatine, some phone panels in the corner right there. I got my drink stash, chips. Then we got the infamous wall that's in pretty much every one of my videos. That's what we got. So we got, start down here. We got my Powerade wall. We got an LED strip that runs along the shelf. And I have lemon lime Powerades on top because my favorite Powerade is lemon lime. Then we got my little AdSense paper, my first custom adventurous dollar made on YouTube. The OG iPhone back from D-Brand Skin. Got this fancy light, this carbon fiber clock that I made. And we got 2 fake iPhones with their backs off. One has epoxy all over it. And then 2 backs for iPhones. One is a carbon fiber one and one is just a iPhone one. And we have taken apart AirPods. We have a painting of the Kobe 10 shoes, Bugatti Devo, iPhone 5, OnePlus 7 Pro, Oppo Find X, and Galaxy Note 9. We got all my little drawings. Just a shoe, iPhone, watch. These are my prototype phones that I've drawn because I would like to design phones in the future. That would be really cool. Here's another one, Nike Air Mag, Rolex, another Rolex, another phone. There's an Omega Seamaster, I believe. iPhone 11. That's what the leaks were. AP, Richard Mille, iPhone 11 new leaks. This is all before the iPhone 11 came out. Smartwatch that I designed. All of the phones that were cool at the time. Then we got more watches up there. A custom Glock and a custom, that's a treehouse actually. I intend to build it in the future. But yeah, that is my whole wall. It's everything that you look at. Pretty sweet. Got some lights down here to help with the ambient lighting. They're all connected right over. They're all connected right here. Got a dresser. We got my Lego Star Wars collection here. Beautiful. This is my charging station down here. Got the Mavic Mini and the DJI Spark underneath. And some earbuds. And yeah, that's pretty much the whole entire setup. Pretty sweet. I also have 2 more setups that I do stuff in. I'll be showing you those in a sec. As you guys can tell, there's no bed in here, so I don't sleep in here anymore. I kind of took over my brother's room for the moment. Go into this room. I have a massage chair right here. And then I got a 3D printer, a like pretty much engraver. I'm not sure what it's actually called. That's my stuff right here, epoxy stuff, lightsaber, other epoxy stuff. I have a computer right there. This is a Windows computer. This is my epoxy, pretty much my carbon fiber making area. This is a monitor right there for the computer, so I can put the keyboard up here, do stuff. That's my carbon fiber and all my materials. That's the bed. Here is my nightstand. Got chapstick, the MagSafe wallet, Adventurist. This is my Apple Watch charger, not sure where to put it yet. Apple TV remote, picture, lamp. And over here I got my $100 TV that I got on Black Friday with my Apple TV and the fan I sleep with. And that is my setup pretty much for this room. I also have one more editing setup that is in the office. Yeah, I pretty much expanded and taken over a lot of the house. Yeah, I've pretty much expanded and taken over a lot of the house. So this is my second editing setup, pretty much. This is where I have my brother. I've been having my brother help me edit recently, and this is his little setup that he's got going. I have a 2019 iMac, the generic keyboard and mouse, printer, just a little chair. He has his own little mouse that he does, and yeah, that is the setup. And yeah, that is the Custom Adventurist studio room tour. I've expanded a lot from last year. If you watched my last room tour, it is way different. I have changed so much. I think I'm gonna go watch it and like see all the differences because it's pretty interesting. I definitely recommend you checking that out too. And yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and peace.